Okay, hi guys. I have reworked the Midori Yuji moveset, and I have gotten a little better. First, let's start off with the boom. Start off with the counter. Boom. Then let's do the melee, which is just a black flash. Hey, sir. Okay, and then let's do the first move, which is black flash beatdown. Watch. Okay, there it is. Next move is cleave. So yeah, I really like it. Don't mind the extra animations. I can't really get it down. Then we got brutal dismantle, which is really strong. It fits Midori Yuji. I'm gonna kill him real quick. Hold up. Let's take him out. Black flash. Okay. Then the two final moves, and then we gotta go on to the domain expansion. I tried to fuse it with Mahito's domain, but I couldn't, so yeah. We got strong dismantle, which is really OP. And then we got strong cleave, which is also really OP. Yeah. I forgot to put a cooldown on it. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna put I was supposed to put a 20. I was gonna put a 25-second cooldown on it since it's so OP. Then we got the domain expansion. Uploads. Haha. Title, Trenton. Moveset. Okay, so let's look up Trenton. What's this? What the fuck? Food? Okay, so this is a custom somebody else made. So yeah, that's my Midori Yuji moveset. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I don't know what that other one is. I'll upload it. Don't worry. Oh. I'll make it later. Don't worry. I'll find out a way to upload it. I'll do that all tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye.